The importance of knowing your project inside out are manifold. Let's find out. One of the most significant and frequently asked questions is describe an important project or assignment that you have been part of. We'll learn the following. Significance of project related questions during an interview. What constitutes a project? Preparing for an answer about the project. And finally, the cheat code for the ultimate answer. The significance of project related questions during an interview is to find out the following. Clarity of expressions, the candidate's inclination towards taking responsibility, specific management techniques, and dispositions towards stressful situations. They also let you know information about how a person equips himself or herself for challenges, levels of curiosity, and his or her reactiveness and readiness for situations. Finally, for leadership, coordination, interpersonal skills, and communication skills. Questions relating to projects or responsibility are asked to see if the candidate is thinking or merely just an execution person. Such questions easily equip the panel to decide how much supervision, mentoring, or hand holding may be required for the person to start delivering. So, what constitutes a project? This question is relevant to a fresher as much as it is to a lateral or experienced candidates. Projects can essentially be any assignment, initiative, job responsibility, or an activity undertaken by the candidate where he or she contributed significantly or held an important position. This could be either of the following instances: a case study, a project, individual or group based, a research paper, a white paper or publications, any industrial project during academics, live projects, summer internships or assignments, a project pertaining to the job responsibility, any positions and activities of committees of significant importance, any special initiatives, interventions of significance. Let's now learn about how to prepare and answer questions about your projects. The easiest way to do is to list down all the projects you've done during your last academic sessions or experience and weigh them based on these important parameters. The impact of execution. Did the project bring about any major learning? Did the project get any decisive answers that could resolve important issues or challenges? Next is volume and quality of the project. How big or small was the project? How many people were involved or monitoring the project? Third is exposure and learning you could gather. Your key takeaway that equipped you better technically and professionally. Fourth, relevance to the position you're applying for. Can the project experience take you closer to the position you're applying for? A simple yet very effective method to answer or structure your response is to use the STAR method. STAR is situation, task, action, and result. This framework allows you to share only the most relevant details through an effective framework. The answer can be framed as follows. Situation. When did the project happen? What made you decide the project and what results were you trying to get? Task. What were the series of steps you planned, coordinated, and executed? Action. How did you make those decisions? How did you ensure conformance to the timelines? Results. What are the final outcomes? How different were they from your earlier expectations? Let's look at 3 pillars of choosing the right project, which is very, very important. How can you ensure that? First, choose the right project. Second, relevance and freshness of the project. Third, specificity of the details. Fourth, an individual contribution. Once you've established which projects and which details are you going to share, it will become easier for you to face the actual interview scenario. Preparing for the answer background prep. What are the different ways this question can be asked? Look at these questions. Tell me about your most prized project or assignment. Tell me about an opportunity that you turned around and made it big. Tell me about the project you have mentioned in your profile. Some more questions can be, tell me about any situation where you showcased your leadership and interpersonal skills. If you're given any project, how will you execute it? Example, if you are to do a market research for a car manufacturing company from a foreign land, how will you do it? Presuming you have worked on a similar project. Another question can be, have you ever failed at something? Here are some more questions. Do you consider yourself a good manager, leader? Yes or no? Explain why. Either ways. Why should we hire you? Are you a monkey or a lion? A follower or a leader? What would you rather? Plan till last detail and then execute, or start working and plan, build as you go? Here is a cheat code for the ultimate answer. In this slide, we will discuss one of the many ways in which one can structure the response to the questions about projects. The main idea is to show clarity of thoughts, structured expressions, and richness of efforts. Tell me something about the internship you did during your post-graduation with the service startup. Here's the answer. The internship I did for 2 months with LB Consulting was one of the most profound experiences for me, both professionally and personally. I was working on the project to gather insights about the effectiveness of online learning content in metro cities for the students pursuing their graduation. This is how you can structure your answer. I will take a pause here. You can read the answer. The aforementioned answer is one of the many ways in which one can structure the response. The main idea is to show clarity of thoughts, structured expressions, and richness of efforts. Let's decode the answer. The first paragraph entails details about the situation and task in a nutshell. The details of scope and intensity are clear. The second paragraph talks about the action part, where all the logical steps are explained to achieve a final result. The third paragraph shows how results are achieved and what is the conclusion. The extended conclusion also shows that the candidate has spent some time thinking on the results as well. Preparing, planning, and looking at all your documents, all the projects that you have done, will equip you to give you a really strong standing in how to answer any questions related to projects. All the best.